What's going on, YouTube? So the Jordan Maxin 200, it's got good quality, they're well put together. If you can afford them, I say buy them. You understand what I'm saying? The particular color of the Jordan Maxin that I'm gonna be reviewing today is called medium olive, gem red, and black. I have about 4 reviews already on my channel of the Jordan Maxin 200s, and the reason why I review the same sneaker all the time is because I want any consumer, all right, that's looking for a particular color, if they can't find it anywhere, they can come to my channel and they can find it there. You understand what I'm saying? This is my reason why I review the same sneaker all the time, but in different colors. It makes sense to me. You understand what I'm saying? When I saw these kicks online, I was like, I gotta get them. You understand what I'm saying? And I've never seen it on anybody's feet. And when I looked at it, I was like, yo, that's gonna be mad dope on feet. It's got good quality. 1 + 2 = 3. It made sense to me. So I copped it. And I copped it in order to review it for you guys. So without further ado, let's take a look at these kicks and let's see what it looks like. So guys, these kicks right here are made of suede and smooth patent leather, okay? This part right here, the tongue, is also made of leather. Also has a black Jordan logo on the back, okay? Take a look at the bottom. This is made of all rubber, all right? Very, very good quality, like I mentioned before. Take a look at the Jordan logo right there. Okay, this is one of the things that I really like about these shoes because of the hard bottom. You know what I mean? Because it's made of all rubber. It's got such a good quality. And by the way, these bubbles right here are black bubbles. It's also a see-through, okay, because you can see right through it. It's the Air Max 200 bubbles. Okay, this is why they call this the Jordan Maxin 200. All right. When I wore these kicks, unbelievable comfortability. They feel very good on the feet. They look dope on feet, and they feel good on the feet. These right here, these Jordan Maxes, to me, they're fire. Although these comes with suede, all right. These particular medium olive color, okay, which to me is like camouflage, like the color of my hat here. You know, it's like it's suede. This part is all suede. So if you don't like suede, you know what I mean, I suggest to cop something else that is not made of suede. But this particular medium olive is made of suede. You understand what I'm saying? So it's either you like it or you don't like it. But to me, it's fire. You understand what I'm saying? These goes for about $140 retail price, all right? I've now come to the end of my video, guys. Thank you for watching my video. If you're new to this channel, please click that subscribe button. And if you're not, please click that like button and that share button. Thank you, everybody, for watching my video. And until next time, just maybe, I might see you with these on. Or maybe I might not. Who knows? One easy.